Need to fix the Search module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we get started with Search module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Search module, a native system library responsible for the Windows search indexing engine. It manages the metadata gathering for File Explorer searches and Start menu results. If missing or corrupted, the Windows search bar will stop functioning entirely, and File Explorer may hang indefinitely when a user attempts to find a file. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. When a core file like Search module DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Search module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Replacing Search module without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A maintenance path for Search module and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If you've regained access to Search module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.